Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.5 LTS version on AlmaLinux 9. Okay, but the process is same on all AlmaLinux 9, 9.1, 9.2 or until 9.5. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the MySQL 8.4.5 LTS version. Select it. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find older versions. Then select the operating system. See here we are unable to find the AlmaLinux, but select the Red Hat Enterprise Linux or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 x86 64-bit. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded to install the MySQL Server 8.4.5. Instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started, and see here the size is 9.6 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the MySQL tar file. MySQL 8.4.5. It is tar file. We have to untar it by running the command tar-xf. Use the MySQL. Use the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have successfully extracted. Control A, and see here now we have to install these RPM packages. Control A. So sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.5. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. MySQL D is the name of the service name. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Q to quit. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL Server is started 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Control A. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of root account. So we can get the root account temporary password by going to more where log mysql.mysqld.log grep password. Hit enter. So we have to give with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. This password is not same for you. Okay. So now run sudo mysql_secure_installation. Hit enter. Then we have to provide this temporary password. Copy this one. Paste it. Hit enter. Now provide the new password. If you want to change the password, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disable, yes, no. Remove test user, test database, yes. Reload privilege tables, no, yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the new password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.5. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, the installed version of MySQL Server is 8.4.5. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. See, we have created database, verify again. See, new database is there. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use, then provide the name of the database. Now we have switched to the database bank. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have created table. Verify again. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. To verify the list of the users, we have to run the command show users. See, this won't work, so we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, we have created new user. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit. Then MySQL -u. Then provide the name of the user. The username is David -p. Then provide password of this David user. So I have given this password. So give the same password. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to switch to bank database with this new user. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, so to access the database we must have the privileges. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server on AlmaLinux 9. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL is running. Now stop. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL server is stopped. Q to quit. Now also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just give same command with restart flag. Restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted or started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control A. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBOR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both DBOR or MySQL Workbench on Linux operating systems. Okay, now ls. So we have successfully installed. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them. rm start.rpm ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove this one also. rm MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on AlmaLinux 9. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.